There is nothing worse than getting stuck on the side of the road, especially if you're not prepared. And with this kit, you will have everything you need. So right off the bat, I'm going to show you everything that's inside. It comes with this paper right here. So this has everything you need. And that it comes with, you're going to get a safety hammer. You get the warning triangle. You got an ice scraper, a snow shovel, a snow brush, gloves, duct tape, poncho, pencil tire gauge, flashlight, first aid kit. All this stuff is in here. Right off the bat, this is the first aid kit. So it has pretty much everything you're going to need in there, all wrapped up nicely and perfectly. I like the fact that it comes in this case too. It has handles, really easy to use, doesn't take up that much space in the car as well. So we got the gloves right here. This is a little strap right there, which is great. This is going to be your jumper cables right here. You got your poncho right here in case it's raining. We got a shovel that's easy to put together as well. That was the duct tape right there. We got this little glass puncher right here in case you need that. And then we got the tire, the triangle right here, and then the tire gauge right here. So you can see everything you could possibly need. So if you're looking for a great roadside kit, definitely check this out. And a huge thank you to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.